In this video, I'll show you how to trim a video in Loom. First, log into your Loom account and open the video you want to edit. Next, click the Edit button near the video player. Now, select Trim from the editing options. After that, choose the part of the video you want to remove by dragging the trim handles on the timeline. You can move the left handle to remove content from the beginning, or move the right handle to remove content from the end. Next, review the selected section and make sure you're removing the correct part of the recording. If you need to remove a section from the middle of the video, use the appropriate cut or edit option available in Loom instead of trimming the entire video. Now click Save Changes or Done to apply your edits. After that, wait for Loom to finish processing the updated video. Finally, play the video again and make sure the trimmed version looks correct before sharing it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to trim a video in Loom. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.